Welcome back to Adventure Pete's. Glad to see you here. So we're back with Gears and Gadgets, talk about the cool things I've come across to help make your life easier as well. So what we're talking about is my cargo bar. So I use this for multiple different things, trying to manage my cargo and things like that as I'm traveling down the road. Because sometimes I need to keep something just pushed off to the side. Most times I use this to keep things towards the back of the truck, so I don't have to worry about totes and things like that if I hit the brakes just sliding all the way to the front. So I actually use this in between like the wheel wells, keep loads at the rear half of the truck so I don't have to go dig and find them in front. So another cool feature with this is it actually does come with a net. So if you actually hang it up higher, you can use it to support things inside that net as well as keeping things towards the back of the truck, or you can use that net to actually make a full wall divider instead of just having to rely on totes with this bed bar itself. So it comes with the pin clips used to attach the net. You've got the net itself, which is nice. It's heavy duty, so it works out very well. I keep it in the bag so it's easy to control, so I can just throw it in my truck and when it's ready to go. So this thing is fully adjustable to work with many different lengths. It has nice rubber feet on the end, so you don't actually have to worry about it marring up surfaces, but also the rubber feet help keep it in place because as the bed moves and shifts as it goes down the road. Each foot has a pivoting head, so it's nice and easy to work with, so it can work at multiple different angles. Sometimes if you need to keep a load controlled on an angle, like you're keeping 2x4s and 2x12s off to one side, you're trying to manage concrete bricks, things like that. It's plenty of different options, so it's very flexible depending on where you have to use with it. So it's super easy to use, just like a ratchet strap on this end. You have your release, then you go up, you can use it just like you're normally using a ratchet strap. Puts pressure on it. Once you get to your desired position, you just push it down and locks it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. To release it, just like a ratchet strap, you go all the way to the end, and then you can move it in or out as you need to. So it works out pretty darn nice. So it's a nice little load management device that I really like to have because sometimes you just want to make sure everything moves and doesn't move around when it should, and it just makes life a lot easier. So a lot of times I'll just have this across the back of the bed of the truck to keep the cooler in place because sometimes I don't like to chase the cooler down, especially when we're going to the lake and having to get in the back of the truck. So this is something I came across. It's nice, it's quality, it's heavy duty, and it's at an affordable price. So I'll make sure I have a link in the description for you to find your own. So other than that, hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.